Welcome back to Module 4.7. In this lecture video, we're going to take a look at application problems involving with sales tax. So with the discount problem, in the last lecture video, we talked about the amount of sales tax. Okay, is a part of what we purchase or the selling price. So don't let these words get called um, don't get caught up on this wording. Okay, sales tax, every time we buy stuff we paying sales tax. Okay, it's basically what we purchase or what they are selling times the rate of tax. And I got another misspelling here. Amount of sales tax. All right, so selling price or purchasing price is basically means the same thing. Total purchase price. Total purchase price here is whatever I'm going to buy plus the sales tax. Okay, and which I'll show you a different way to compute that in the last lecture video. So let's take a look at a couple examples here real quick. Let's say the property tax on the house were $1,140. What was the tax rate? So this is looking for tax rate, which is percentage. If the house was valued at $190,000, so whenever I'm looking for tax rate or percent, all right, tax rate or percentage, we always take the part divided by the whole. All right, percent is a part. Let me go ahead and introduce this idea. When we say percent is a part of the whole, which is that's what percent equation says. Percent is part over the whole times 100. But if you read closely at the beginning of this phrase, percent is a part, that means percent and the part represent the same thing, just in two different units. One of them is in percent unit, one of them is in terms of whatever, maybe like money for this particular example. So when it says tax rate here, all right, so this is percent. So this tax rate percentage is the same meaning as the part up here. So that means this part up here got to be tax in terms of dollar. This is tax in terms of percentage. They mean the same thing, just in two different units. So part over the whole. So the property tax in terms of dollar is the part of the total house value, $190,000. So part over the whole times 100, that will give me my tax rate. Round to the nearest hundreds, so let's take a look. 1140 divided by 190,000. Yep. Times 100, so that will be 6. That will be 0.6%. Okay, tax rate. Make sure we're typing it right. Yep, 0.006 is 0.6%. All right, so this particular problem is asking for percentage for the sales tax. All right, Peter is considering purchasing an item that costs $27. The sales tax in Peter's area is set at 5.8%. How much sales tax will be charged on this purchase? So this problem is looking for sales tax, which is a part of what we purchase. All right, so that will be part equal to percent times the whole. Part equal to rate percent times the whole. 5.8% is 0.058, right? If it is 5%, move the decimal to the left 2 places, 0.05. 5.8% means just attach an 8 behind the 5. So that would be 0.058 times the purchase price over the whole 27. So let's see how much tax are we paying. 0.058 times $27. Oh, we're paying round to the nearest cent, so that's 100th place. That will be $1.57. That will be the tax. Alright, that ain't so bad. Heather is considering purchasing an item that costs $15. So this one will be, oh, this one's almost like that one, but not quite the same. The sales tax in Heather's area is set at 7.5%. What is the, gotta read this carefully, what is the total purchase price? Okay, so what is the total price Heather going to pay? So, let me show you this way first. Sales tax is a part of the whole $15, so that will be 7.5% is 0.075 times $15, so that will give me sales tax 0.075 times 15, so that's $1.13. That's the sales tax. Alright, so total purchase price, or total price got to be paid, that will be $15, okay, selling price, plus the sales tax, $1.13. So that will be $16.13. Okay, so let me show you how to do this in a different way, just like the one with the discount. Alright, if Heather wants to purchase this item, Heather wants it, Heather is going to pay 100% of that $15. Plus, Heather got to pay some sort of sales tax, okay, which is set at 7.5%. So that means Heather is going to end up paying 107.5% of that $15 because everything is compute off that $15 from the very beginning. So, if you understand this concept, you can simply say the total purchase price is going to be $15 times 107.5%. Move the decimal to the left 2 places, that's 1.075. 100% for the $15 plus additional 7.5% for the sales tax. That's 15 times 1.075. Voila, $16.13. Give you the same answer. It seems quicker, but it's not. It just, I'm adding percentage, which is, we can do it just by looking at it, versus here we are adding in terms of dollar amount. Okay, it's not really a shortcut, it's just looking at it from a different perspective. Alright, so that will conclude this lecture video on sales tax. In the next video we will talk about commissions. Alright, that will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.